Hi, I'm Mendoza, and today we're going to be doing beef broth again. So already here I have my mirepoix. I've already caramelized it, and I poured in some of the fat from the bones, which I've caramelized with some tomato paste in the oven. We're at 375 for around 25 minutes. I poured in some of the fat there afterwards. So now I'm going to add these in. See how nice and caramelized they are? They're just going to add a lot of flavor to the broth as we simmer it. And same thing with all the fond at the bottom of the tray here on the parchment. Just going to try and scrape off as much of that as possible, because all that's going to be extra flavor for the stock. Now, I'm going to put my heat up to high. I'm going to pour in my water, cold water. Just a little bit more, probably. And I have my sachet here with parsley, thyme, crushed pepper, and bay leaves. I'm going to sort of keep that in there, but leave a little bit of it out. And I'm going to wait for this to come up to a boil, and then I'll lower it down to a simmer, and we're going to be simmering that for around 3 to 4 hours. Once it's at a boil, I'm going to lower it down to a simmer, and we're going to simmer it off for around 4 hours until it's all reduced. Alright, now that I brought it to a boil and now it's at a low simmer, I'm going to leave it like this for around 3-ish, 4 hours, and then I'm going to strain it. Then I'm going to cool it down in an ice bath, let it get to room temperature or lower, and then I'm going to keep it in the freezer, freeze it for when I need it in any other recipes or whatever. So yeah, beef broth.